Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this exercise, and it is fork element. You can see the dimension part here, and then let's make a modeling part now. From this Solidworks interface, let's start sketch from the top plane and make it normal too. Then click the midpoint line, and I want to change to for construction. Then I want to make it vertical. Right click and click select. Then make it the other one, but it is horizontal. Right click and click select. And I want to add the circle from this horizontal line. Then I want to change the distance from the center to this point to 20 millimeter. Then I want to add the line. I want to set the diameter value for this line to 76 millimeter. Then click line, start from this point till to this one. Right click and click select. Then set the distance to 28 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, from this sketch, let's trim entities to delete unnecessary line. Make sure you have selected to trim to close. But before that, just add to this sketch too. Right click and click select. Trim entities and select to this one. Click OK. Make the offset entities and set the value 10 millimeter. Then click to this sketch and OK. Click line. Let's connect this point to the other. And then click on feathers, click on Solidworks. Let's give the thickness, and it is give the thickness to 56 millimeter. Then OK. Change direction to midplane. Click to the surface and then click the sketch and make it on normal to by press and hold the Ctrl A from the keyboard. Then click circle and click the smart dimension. From this one, click to the sketch and change the diameter value to 56 millimeter. Then OK. Click to this line and click to this sides by press and hold the Ctrl button. Then make a tangen. Click OK. For the next step, click circle from this point click the smart dimension and set the meter to 28 millimeter. Then click to this line. Click OK. Right click and select. Delete to this line. Well, from this position, let's click the feathers, then extrude cut. Then select to this sketch. You can drag, click and drag to this selected to cut the body. Then click this toggle and click the sketch. Click extrude wash. Then sketch to this sketch and set the value to 35 millimeter. Then OK. Let's mirror this extrude wash by click mirror and then click this toggle, select front plane, then click this body. OK. You can see the other side extrude wash. For the next step, click this right plane and reference geometry. Set the distance to 140 millimeter. Then make it a normal to by press and hold the Ctrl 8 from keyboard. Then click sketch. From this center, and I want to make it 38 millimeter. Then click the circle once more. From this point until this one, click OK. Then click a feather. Extrude the sketch. Up to surface. Then click OK. Let's hide this plane. Well, click the sketch and make it a show. Click this sketch. Click extrude cut. Drag this position, click OK. If you want to hide this sketch, right click and click hide. Change to the isometric view. Then for a finishing, click edit appearance. For this modeling part, and I want to make it to this color, and maybe I want to add some color. from this. Change this edit appearance, and I want to make it the different color. And I want to select to this color. Click OK. Ctrl 7. Well, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. And then see you next time.